Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Twitter not playing videos on your settings. We will just click here on settings, then we come here to settings window, and this is window, and we will just go down and we will click here on apps. Then we come here to apps window, and we will go down here. We will do looking for Twitter app. We will just go down, and we click here on Twitter. Then we come to the next window here, and we click here on for stop. Then we click here on OK, and we click here on storage. Then we come here to storage window. We will click here on clear cache, and we will click here on clear data, and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.